Guys, here we're gonna draw a Brussels sprout.
Yeah, to celebrate National Eat Your Brussels Sprouts Day. Are you gonna eat some Brussels sprouts today? You should eat some to celebrate. Anyways, we're gonna draw one in case you don't want to eat one.
Yes.
You need your drawing supplies. We're gonna use a marker. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Usually we'll draw the funny face at the end, but this time we're gonna start with the funny face. And let's draw the mouth. I'm gonna draw it right here. I'm gonna draw a little smile, but we're gonna turn it into a bigger smile or a bigger mouth. Then right here, we're gonna curve around like this. We're gonna come down really far, and then we're gonna come up and connect into the other side. This looks like a tall jelly bean.
Yeah.
Then we can draw the teeth. And we could also draw a tongue inside. Let's color in the back of the mouth, or the shape in between the tongue and the teeth. That part we sped up, so remember you can pause the video if you need extra time. And you can do that during any part of the video too. All right, now let's draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a big circle like this. And then we're gonna draw another big circle over here for the, oh, we're drawing really big eyes. Our Brussels sprout is gonna look more like a cabbage because it's so big. There you go. Nice. Now let's draw another circle on the inside. We're gonna draw really crazy eyes this time. And another circle over here. Then let's draw another circle that's smaller, but in the top left of each eye. And then inside of this, we're gonna draw another circle. This is for the pupil. And then we have the iris. That's the colored part, and then we have the highlight. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side to match. Now let's color in the pupil. That's the smallest circle in the center. We did it. There's our funny face for our Brussels sprout. Now let's actually draw the Brussels sprout. We're gonna draw all the leaves, but first we're gonna draw a diagonal line that comes out of this eye right here. Next, we're gonna start here, and we're gonna draw the top of this leaf. Watch this is gonna get really crazy. I'm gonna come down close to the eye, so we don't get too big. We're already huge. Then we're gonna draw the cheek over here, and we're gonna draw the chin really close to the mouth. And then we're gonna keep going over here, and we wanna match so that we're really close to the eye on this side, and then we're gonna connect into that diagonal line. That's awesome. Okay, now let's draw the inside of our Brussels sprout. We're gonna draw a curve or upside down U shape. So we're gonna add more leaves to the center part. We can draw an upside down U and then also add some other curves inside. Then let's add some other leaves that are sticking out. I'm gonna draw a curve right here and we'll start coming down. Then we can add even more little curves or popcorn lines. Almost looks like a cloud too. And then let's repeat that on the same leaf shape over here on the side. Then we can also add one more leaf on top. I'm gonna draw big bumps going all the way over to the other side. Now it looks like a Brussels sprout. Yeah. A really big Brussels sprout. Let's also draw a body. I'm gonna draw 2 lines down. Then we can draw a curve right here for the bottom of the body. And then let's draw the legs. I'm gonna curve around and then connect, and then curve around and connect on the other side. And let's also draw the arms. I'm gonna draw a letter U coming out to the left and also coming out to the right. Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing our Brussels sprout, except we still need to
color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah. Dad, you did a great job on your Brussels sprout.
Thanks, and I think you did a good job too.
Thank you.
Our art friends can pause the video right now to match our same coloring or use our drawings as inspiration. And we started with a lighter green. If you have the same markers and want to use our same colors, we used 59 and colored the whole thing solid first. And then we used a darker green for the shading.
46.
Yeah. Then we used the light blue for the eyes.
76.
Yeah. And I also used CG1 for a little shadow underneath my guy.
Then we used 121 for the top.
Oh yeah, I also used a white colored pencil for the highlights and some blue pencils to add more shading to the inside of the eyes.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your Brussels sprout.
Yeah, and we also want to wish you a happy Eat Your Brussels Sprouts Day, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.